मैं डॉक्टर सब्बिर हुसैन practicing physician in Udaipur, age 86 years. I had problems in my both legs, both knee joints, osteoarthritis diagnosed. I'm suffering from the hypothyroidism and heart disease. And looking to the age, many of my colleagues discouraging me not go for operation. When I met Dr. Saurabh Goyal in his consultation room, he examined me and told me, yes, you have got problems, but looking to the age, it's risky, but I can operate. He suggested me to go for one knee at a time. And I'm so thankful to Dr. Saurabh Goyal and his team to encourage me, and they successfully implanted the knee, total knee replacement, right knee. And today, after 5 days of recovering, I'm leaving for Udaipur.
Hello, I'm Sabiha. I am Dr. Sabbir Hussein's daughter. And when my dad decided to go for the total knee replacement, which was not planned very much ahead in future, but it was at a very short notice, 2 weeks. I don't live in India. I'm actually a physician practicing in US, but I decided to come. Of course, I had to attend my father. I was very confident in the surgeon. I knew Dr. Saurabh Goyal for years, and I felt very comfortable him operating on my dad. So we came here, the knee transplant happened, or the total knee replacement was done on December 1st.
He has operated my mother.
Yes, and the Dr. Goyal has also operated on my mother in the past. And I have to say the whole experience has been wonderful. The staff here at Sterling Hospital is very attentive and very courteous. We had no problem whatsoever. We have been very pleased right from the day we met Dr. Goyal's team to the day, today's the day for discharge. So everything has gone very smooth. I could not have experienced anything better than this. So thank you too much. Thank you so much to Dr. Goyal and the Ushma ji and the whole team.